Welcome to today's vlog. Daughter is roasting some spaghetti squash seeds that we had left over for some spaghetti squash. And we are all just living life and getting things done, huh, Nikita? So today the main theme and focus is getting the house caught up and cleaned up. The last few weeks have been quite busy. So last week there was a lot of unexpected things, but it was a fun week. And this week I've been doing a lot of catch up on some other things. So the housework has fallen behind. Today is the day we're going to catch up and finish the rest of the housework. So you've already seen, I've already worked on some homeschool, which of course isn't housework. So we've already worked on some homeschool, and you've seen some snippets where the kids are doing some of their chores. And now it's time for me to go ahead and finish up the housework with my stuff. I'm continuing to reboot laundry, getting some things done, trimmed the dog's nails, got some extra things done around the house, and I just finished wrapping some of our Thanksgiving presents. I actually will be getting more tomorrow, and then I also need to get some birthday presents. My grandson's birthday is coming up. But I got the most of the present wrapping done, so that's good. And now I'm going to sort through some of my extra organizer baskets. I always like to pick some up when I see good ones at Dollar Tree when I'm there. And I'm going to see which ones I can put into the refrigerator and use them to help me organize my refrigerator a bit better. Well, I only did 3 containers, and I've already got a whole lot more room in my fridge. My other containers don't really fit in the fridge, but I think this is all I need for right now. This is pretty cool. And now for some sit-down work. I need to work in my planner for a bit, and specifically, I need to go over some things in the budget. I'm at my desk getting a few things handled, and then we need to head out and run a quick errand. Then we're going to come home and do supper and wrap up our day. So, have a blessed day.